Good morning, everybody. Sorry about the light. Everybody is not, my house is still sleeping and I'm just getting ready to go to work. So here are the new Savings Star offers. So you guys might have things differently, but they added the Flonase. I probably won't get it, but I'm still just going to add it just in case. We got, it keeps doing this. We got Purex. We have $2 off Best Dressed. I'm assuming that's right guard. I can't see it very well. Dial, $1 off a Dial. We got $2 off a Gliss. We got $3 off the hair dye. Dial. Got to Be. Soft Scrub. Persil, $2 off Persil. We got 50 cents off Purex. The Carry products, $2 off of that. This is Equal. I'm adding that. And then there's some other deals. People Magazine, Chips Ahoy, Ritz. So there's that stuff for you guys. So make sure you guys check your Savings Star offer and get those items before they're gone. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.